How to lock gallery album on Samsung phone. First, go back to your home screen and open up the gallery app. Then tap on menu. Then tap on settings. In gallery settings, we scroll down. Then tap on about gallery. Now at the top here in the version number, you want to tap on it 10 times or more. So you want to quickly and repeatedly tap on it like this. Okay, so once you tap repeatedly, you should see it's a gallery lapse is enabled. Now go back and go down, and in here tap on gallery lapse. Next, we then scroll down, and in here tap on album entry locks. Turn it on, tap on OK, then we close it. After that, open up your gallery app, then touch and hold on an album, and then you want to tap on more and tap on lock album. Okay, it is now locked. If you try to open it, you need to use pin or fingerprint to unlock it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.